Sliding wardrobe storage solutions for small homes maximize usable space by combining mirrored sliding doors with smart internal organization. Choose a full-width sliding mirrored wardrobe with a modular internal organizer that fits ceiling to floor to get the most storage for the smallest footprint. Install vertical dividers spaced to suit your clothing mix, and add adjustable shelves for folded items. Use shallow removable baskets for scarves and belts, and deep drawers for bulkier items so everything stays accessible without overfilling. For shoes, mount angled shelves or pull-out trays at the base rather than leaving them on the floor to keep the front clear and allow the doors to glide smoothly. Consider pocket sliding doors, where one panel disappears into a cavity to reveal the full opening when you need it. This is especially useful in very narrow bedrooms where even a small amount of door overlap would block access. Integrate LED strip lighting on the inner frame or on the underside of shelves so items are visible without opening the whole unit, and pick lighting with a warm color temperature to keep skin tones flattering in the mirror. Add pull-out accessories like tie racks, valet rods, and trouser hangers that slide out past the door line so you can inspect outfits without stepping back into the room. Use soft close sliding hardware rated for high cycles to prevent bouncing and to keep mirrors aligned, and mount mirrored panels on concealed clips to allow future reconfiguration without removing the door track. Common mistakes include choosing shallow wardrobes that look sleek but do not hold seasonal bulk, which causes cluttered overflow. Resolve this by planning for a minimum of 12 inches of depth for folded storage and adding a separate underbed storage solution for out-of-season items. Another issue is poor door alignment or cheap rollers that jam and cause frequent repairs. Prevent that by specifying ball-bearing rollers with a load rating above the expected weight and installing adjustable top guides so you can fine-tune door height on site. People also forget lighting and see only reflected darkness, which defeats the mirror benefit. Fix this by wiring low-profile LED strips to a door-activated switch or a motion sensor inside the cavity, so the mirror always reflects an illuminated image. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like sliding wardrobes, so we can find local professionals and discuss approaches that match your space and budget. We host a discussion community where we exchange installation tips, product links, and design photos so we can learn from each other and find the right contractor or customer.